Hello everybody, this is Mr. Hartzler. Let's show you how to use offset today. So I'm in Inventor 2016 and I'm in a new part file. Start a sketch, you choose any plane, I'm going to choose the XY. Now I'm going to use a polygon, but you can use any shape, circle, rectangle, square, whatever you like. I'm just going to make a hexagon this time just to show you what exactly is happening. Once you've made one of these shapes, you can click done or you can press escape. I like pressing escape. Then you click offset. When you do that, your whole edge will highlight when you hover over it. You click and then you move your mouse and you'll notice that I have another shape now that can go in or out depending where my mouse is. And it provides you with a number. It's just below my cursor right now. Now it's to the left of it. That number is the distance between these two sketches. So right now it's 0.061 inches apart. And now I'm 0.2 inches apart, these two pieces. When I do a final click, it now gets those stuck exactly where they are. But if you notice, as you go around, the distance between the inside and the outside is always that number that I specified in here. For us, it was 0.2 this time. The distance between these two all the way around is going to be 0.2, which is nice if, say, you're trying to make something. In this case, it'd be a terrible pipe. But if I were to extrude just the outer edge here, it's hollow. I've had students make pipes this way just because they don't have to cut out a circle in the middle, or this way they can do their edge this way and they can sweep, and it makes a decent pipe that way. But this is offset on Autodesk Inventor 2016. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.